Hey Rush fam, when last have you been on a hill drive? So today we're heading up Bridgemount, heading up in the hills. So put on your seatbelt and let's go take some shots and some views from up in the hills. This will also be a drone video. I'll include some drone shots as well for you guys. So you guys stay tuned for that. So it's Bridgemount, right here in Kingston, right outside of Manor Park, right off Long Lane. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. You'll definitely be able to get some good views of Kingston from this end. If you have missed it, I recently did a drone video from up in the hills of Manning's Hill, which highlights Manning's Hill Road and sections of Red Hills and Avondale, so you guys can check that out. I also did a drone video from up Red Hills as well, which highlighted another section of Kingston. And today we're doing a drone video from Bridgemount, which will now highlight Manor Park and those sections of Kingston. So I'll put the links for those two other drone videos in the comments, so you guys can definitely check them out. And you guys stay tuned for this drone video as well, just to highlight some of these beautiful homes and just to get an aerial shot of this side of Kingston. So you guys definitely stay tuned. guys some beautiful views from up this side, some beautiful homes as well. So as I mentioned, we'll include some drone shots, so you guys definitely stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so again, another community drive, but what I'll do, as I mentioned, I'll include like a minute or two of a drone view of this side of Kingston. I've never done a drone view of the Manor Park area. We've done Red Hill side, Mannings Hill side, so you guys definitely stay tuned. So again, really appreciate all the support, really appreciate all the subscription, really appreciate all of you guys, and definitely stay tuned for the drone views. What I think I'll do as well is to make a longer drone video covering some more sections, you know, of the Manor Park and Constant Spring area. So you guys definitely stay tuned for those videos. Again, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share as well.